Today, Texas Tint Masters is here in Shenandoah, Texas, installing XPEL Blackout architectural film on this huge commercial space right behind me. Squeegee that. Now this building right here belongs to a company called Breakthrough. It is 22,000 square feet. Now this is going to be a social entertainment experience that's going to have 40 high-tech rooms to create the ultimate entertainment experience. Now as we're walking through the project, you could see that they are building on this entire building, and there's walls right on the other side, which doesn't look very good from the outside. And number two, we can't access the windows from the inside to install the film. So what we are doing is installing an exterior blackout film, and let me show you a little bit about how it's gonna look. This is XPEL Blackout Window Film. It is perfect for daytime and nighttime privacy because no light can get through, hence the name Blackout. Now this was a perfect solution for our clients back here to block out the walls that are showing through the glass from the build out that they're doing here in this entertainment experience. As you can see, one more time, it's totally blacked out. Check it out. You can't see nothing. Who's behind his camera? It's me. Is it daytime or nighttime? It's daytime. Pretty cool, huh? Squeegee that. One of the ways that we are going to weatherproof the film from it being an exterior install is by pulling the seals like so. So what our team is going to do is we're going to pull the seals back just like that, and that's going to expose the edge of that glass. The film is now going to get tucked behind from edge to edge so that it has full coverage. Then we go back and we put the seal back in there so that the seal itself now seals the glass and the film so that moisture cannot get behind it and the heat cannot create a lifting, which is going to maximize the lifespan. This is a long-term solution to further weatherproof and expand and maximize the lifespan of this product on that glass. Squeegee that. Just like that, we knocked this one out of the park with XPEL Blackout Architectural Window Film. This is Carlos, the Texas Squeegee with Texas Tint Masters, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Squeegee that.